Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic Pencil. I am your host Natalka Barvinok. Today we will be creating a beautiful goose drawing using colored pencils. Before we begin our lesson, I'd like to remind you that on my channel you can find videos suitable for art enthusiasts for all ages who love working with colored pencils. So, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. By doing so, more people who want to learn how to draw will discover and enjoy our content. Now, let's dive into our colorful pencil drawing tutorial. Let's begin our drawing. Start with a simple pencil and draw two circles diagonally. One should be larger at the bottom and the other slightly smaller. These circles will help us to outline the body of the goose. Now let's draw an oval. It will be the goose's head. Sketching the neck lines now. Erasing the unnecessary lines of the simple pencil. Draw the silhouette lines of the body along the circular guidelines. Outline the tail. Draw the goose feet. Sketch the beak now. Draw the eye. Add the wing contour and refine the details of the drawing. Erasing the unnecessary lines of the simple pencil. And now let's begin to work with the colored pencils. Use a yellow colored pencil for hatching on the beak, belly, and chest. Erase the extra lines of the simple pencil. Use an ochre brown pencil to work on the beak and neck. Using an emerald green pencil, create small strokes on the head and part of the neck. Add a touch of yellow strokes to the highlighted area. Now use yellow-green pencil to blend two previous colors with additional strokes. Use a black pencil to draw the eye and work on the shadow areas. Outline the silhouette of the neck with the black pencil. Work on the goose's feet using an orange pencil. Add some small strokes to the areas of the neck and chest. Next step is enrich the body color with the strokes using a burgundy brown pencil. Use a black pencil to draw the feathers on the wing. Draw the silhouette lines of the goose. Continue work with the black pencil. Add some small strokes on the body. Let's add some brown strokes for detailing. Let's focus on the details of the drawing. Use an ochre brown pencil for this part of drawing. Enhance the body color by using a black pencil for shading. Create hatching on the shade areas using a blue pencil. We are almost done with our artwork. I hope you enjoyed my masterclass. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the like button. This will help more people interested in learning how to draw find this video. I'll be grateful if you share this video with your friends and on social media. I'm really interested in hearing your thoughts about this lesson. Please share your comments below this video. Wishing you all creative success and see you in my upcoming master classes.